Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to apply for Air Arabia cabin crew. The first thing that you like to do is to start by opening your web browser and of course visiting the official Air Arabia careers website, or you can just go ahead and click on just launch the main Arabia website and just go all the way down to the footer, and from here we're just going to head over to About Us, and from About Us now you have the careers, so go ahead and click on careers and it's going to take you to the careers website itself. So on the home page, just go ahead and it says search for cabin crew. Actually we're going to search for the job that we want. So actually here are available positions. All right, but we're specifically looking for cabin crew. So scroll down to the footer. Here again you have cabin crew and cabin services, so click on that and that takes you here. So you see that the section is going to display the cabin crew, what exactly cabin crew is, the training, the benefits, and how you can actually apply for cabin crew. So now right here on the job board you have cabin crew recruitment drive in Daman, and then you have in Burhan for Daman Hub, you have for Faisalabad. So just go ahead and click on view more so that you can browse the openings available. So now you have cabin crew this, cabin crew that. I'm gonna go back to this. Cabin crew technician, you have cabin crew manager. We're specifically looking for cabin crew, right? So come over here and check this box that says cabin crew, so it filters it to only cabin crew. So you have cabin crew, cabin crew, cabin crew. Just select the location exactly that you want to apply for. Let's say cabin crew Malton. So I just click on apply. Also click on the apply button. It takes you here. So it takes you to this form where you have to enter your first name, your details about yourself, what's your last name, what's your email address, your phone number. You'd like to opt in to receive job related mail, you'd like to opt in to receive this, and just go ahead and click on next. Now the next step is going to take you to the details. We're going to have to enter details about yourself, typically nationality and other requested information, and click on next steps, where you have to fill this out. So you might also be asked to fill in your educational background, employment history, customer service experience, language skills, and any additional qualifications requested in the application. To upload all required documents such as your updated resume or CV and any other documents requested for the specific vacancy. Ensure every document is clear, complete, and up to date before uploading. So review any section of your application carefully and check for spelling mistakes, missing information, or incorrect contact details, as this could affect your application. And once you're satisfied that everything is accurate, just go ahead and click submit to send your application. After submitting, monitor the email address linked to your account. If you're shortlisted, Air Arabia will contact you with the next stages of the recruitment process, which may include assessments, interviews, or recruitment events depending on the vacancy. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.